Hey guys, welcome to Robin's Library Time. Today I'm going to be summarizing you how to make the ringtone maker which I explained to you in the last video. So if you want to make it, you can open codepen.io. Link will be in the description and you can start following. So first we'll do the HTML work. HTML gives the text and the pictures, images to it, and then the CSS gives the design work, and the JavaScript gives the function coding work. So now let's go to HTML, and first you have to open HTML brackets. So instead of opening, you can just directly open it like HTML, then again just immediately close it HTML. So after opening, immediately close it. Whatever I'll say now, you have to just immediately close that. So like HTML you gave, you have to immediately close it. Then you give the head tag. Again, you have to immediately close the head tag. Since only the head tag is only for giving the title and linking the style sheet to the HTML. Style sheet is just the CSS. So this part is the head part. As you can see, I opened it and then closed it. Then I typed all this code. Then you go to the body. Body, there are two main parts, head and the body. So head is used only for linking the code and title. Then the body part is used for all the code and everything. So this is the body part. I will explain to you the body part also. This all highlighted part is the body one part. So first you have to give 5 audio tag. Open audio, close it immediately. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open and close. So after that you give ID to the audio. Suppose you give the first one audio 1 ID audio 1. Second one you give S, then after the ID one you give SRC, and then I'll give you the link to the songs in the description below. So after typing the SR source, SRC just means source. So after typing all the source like SRC, go to this video's description and get the first one, the cradle ringtone, and paste it over here. Like this you have to do it for all 5 audios. So then you can just copy it down. Now you can pause the video and copy it down. Then now you have to give center so that it stays in the middle. Then you H1 is the biggest head, like the biggest, like this one is H1, it is the biggest out of all of them. So you give H1, H ID H01 and musical demo. This is the musical demo. You can give any title to it. Then H4, click on image to play. Then BR is just bracket.
It's 1 o'clock.
Then bracketing all these. Then after that you give span. Span arranges it in a vertical manner. So you give span to it, and script, source script. This is not required because it does not do anything. Then you can go type on div which will help you to arrange them in order. After that you go and you should give 5 images. So this is image 1. ID should be different also. So all these images, you don't have to close it, but you have to give the on click function 1, and then on the next image you need to go give on click function 2. So like that you do for five functions, and after 3 you just give 2 brackets, and then div span shape of you span ring taki taki ringtone. So these are going to be those, the span ringtone. And here then you give the last two again, bottom two, and then you just divide and give h4 note refresh page to play other track. So this is for the HTML part, and you can just pause the video. If I went fast, you can just pause the video and play it again. So the design part is easy. You just have to give the body's background, body of the curly open bracket and close immediately. Then background color black, h1 color you can just type this color. Then h4 antique white, this is the antique white. Then span color Alice blue, and padding 80 pixels. The padding what does is it gives space between these two places. And padding left is this, and padding right is this. So then image is all these images. Again you have to give the border and border style. So height 200 pixels, width 250 pixels. So you can give this anything as you wish. So it's not a problem, but it will be better if you give it 200 pixels. Then this is all for the CSS. Now we go to the JavaScript. So first you type down function 1. So then here you'll get, once you type this function and function 1, you give open bracket, then open curly bracket, and then document dot get element by id audio dot play. What this what this the what this does is it gets the audio and then it plays it. So you have to do that just type that 5 times and just keep changing the function name and the id name. So this is all for this project. And when you click on anything, it plays the song. So anything you click, it starts playing the song. So that's how you write this code. I hope you liked it. See you guys next time with another video. Bye. Please subscribe and like.